and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. Maligayang pagdating sa Maynila, kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pandaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. We are now taxiing towards NAIA Terminal 3 for your proper disembarkation. Tayo po ngayon ay patungo sa NAIA Terminal 3 para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba.
Aming pag-abot. Salamat sa paghiwo sa Cebu Pacific na kabahin sa inyong adlaw.
Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have dislodged or shifted during the aircraft movement. Once again, cell phones must not be used for whatever purpose while inside the aircraft. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Thank you. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang babalang pagkabit ng sinturong pangkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Panatiling nakasara ang inyong mga cellphones habang kayo ay nasa loob pa ng eroplano. As a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before standing up to get your bag. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, to facilitate our on-time departure, we may request that you cross your seatbelts as you leave your seat. Thank you for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. In the interest of safety, guests are advised to walk through designated areas at the ramp as directed by the ground personnel. It is prohibited to walk under the aircraft wings. Please refrain from taking pictures at the ramp due to the busy ground servicing activity. Thank you.
On behalf of your flight and crew, headed by Captain Piamonte and First Officer Austria, together with First Officer Dan, together with your in-flight cabin crew, Tracy, Tina, and Con, this is April, thanking you for making Cebu Pacific your airline of choice. It is indeed a pleasure to have you all on board, and we hope to see you again on one of your future flights with us. Muli po maraming salamat sa pagpili at pagsakay ninyo sa Cebu Pacific Air. Magandang umaga. To all guests with connecting flights on Cebu Pacific, you are advised to proceed at the transfer desk located at the arrival hall, or you may approach any foreground personnel upon disembarkation. Para po sa mga panauhing may connecting flights sa Cebu Pacific, mangyari po lamang na magtungo sa aming transfer desk na matatagpuan sa arrival hall o lumapit sa aming mga ground personnel sa inyong pagbaba.